Hey guys, I'm going to go over the 6 basic skills that you'll need if you want to get into any kind of online business. So let's just get into it and get going. The first one is you got to have a positive mental mindset, if you will. Number 2, you need to have the ability to learn something and then whatever you've learned to execute it. The next one, it revolves around consistency or repetitious, because you're going to be repeating what you've learned and what you've executed over and over. So it kind of gets repetitious, but you need to be consistent with it. Here's a strong one. You really need to believe in yourself. I mean, I can believe in you till I turn blue and it's not going to help you. You have to feel that you can do this. The next one, stay focused. And then the last one is, once you've learned something and executed it, the next step is to teach others how to do that. If you have these abilities, you're going to thrive in the online business world. If you don't have all of them, you can acquire them. Here, hit the like for me though. Hit a follow. And if you want to see kind of what I'm doing, comment, show me. Bye.